Here's the hard truth about the barbering industry right now. 10 years ago, being great with clippers was enough to set you apart. But now, every barber out there is posting fades, every shop has 5 guys who can blend, and the market is saturated. I want you to go into Instagram right now, pause this video, and look at any barber pages. What do you see? Fade after fade after fade. They all look the same. There's no differentiation, no uniqueness, and nothing makes the client say, I need to see that barber specifically. But here's where it gets interesting. While everyone's focused on fades, there is a massive gap in the market. Think about the clients who are willing to pay $100 to $150 per cut. What are they looking for? Mid-length precision cuts, creative styling options, tailored looks based on face shape, versatile styles that they could wear in different ways, and modern techniques that separate them from basic cuts. These clients don't want a fade, they want expertise, they want mastery, and most importantly, they want precision. Let me break down why scissor mastery is so crucial. Number 1, control and accuracy with clippers. Look, you can rely on guards and length settings, but scissors, that's pure skill. Every cut, every angle, every section requires perfect technique. Number 2, versatility when you master scissors. You can tackle any style, any texture, any look. You're not limited to just fades and tapers. Number 3, premium positioning. The moment clients see you're working with scissors with confidence and precision, they perceive you as a service that's different. They understand they're getting something special. But here's the problem. Most barbers are afraid of scissors. They stick to what's comfortable. They stay in the fade zone because it's safe. And I get it, I was there too. The precision requires for excellent scissor work, and it's intimidating. One wrong angle, one inconsistent section, and the whole cut is compromised. Let's look at what's happening in the market. Salons are charging $100 plus for cuts. High-end men's grooming is growing rapidly. Clients are willing to pay a premium price, and the increased demand for versatile styles is increasing. But here's the thing, you can only capture this market if you have the skills to back it up. To truly master precision cutting, you need perfect sectioning techniques, the understanding of hair growth patterns, control over weight distribution, advanced texturizing skills, clean line refinement, and face shape analysis as an expert. It's time to make a decision. Are you going to A, stay comfortable with basic fades competing with every other barber in your city for $30, or B, master the skills that let you charge premium prices, attract better clients, and truly stand out in the industry? If you're ready to elevate your scissor game and start delivering premium cuts that command premium prices, head to my bio and check out the precision cutting training. This is completely free. Remember, in an industry where everyone can fade, mastery of precision cutting is what sets you apart. It's not just about the tools, it's about the expertise, confidence, and premium services you can provide. The choice is yours. Blend in with fades or stand out with precision. Now, I need to make something clear. Scissor mastery and technical skill is just the first pillar of what we teach at Learn to Cut. It's the foundation, but it's not the complete picture. We've identified 4 core pillars that are essential for success in modern barbering. Number 1, skill development, which we've been discussing. Number 2, brand development. Number 3, business model development. And number 4, leadership development. Each of these pillars is crucial for reaching your full potential as a barber and as a business owner. I've created detailed videos about each pillar that you can find on this channel. But here's why we're focusing on skill first. Without a good product, without technical mastery, the other pillars can't reach their full potential. You can have an amazing branding, a solid business system, and great leadership skills. But if your technical game isn't at the highest level, you'll always hit a ceiling. Think about it. You can confidently charge $150 per cut if you're not absolutely certain you can deliver on premium results every single time. That's why we start with skill, which is your product. It's the foundation everything else is built on. I encourage you to check out our videos where we break down the remaining pillars in detail, but for now, I hope you dive deeper into the technical aspect that will set you apart.